Hi! Today we're going to learn some of the words of expression like awesome, great, really, seriously, I admire you, wow, etc.
That is awesome, dude. That was awesome. Gotta say, that's awesome.
I don't know if you've been in a fight before, but there's usually not this much talking.
Oh, that was awesome. That is.
We say awesome in Tagalog, magaling. And in Bikol, uragon.
Great. You're pitch perfect, if I must say so. I want to thank everybody.
When we say the word great in Tagalog, we can say it as mahusay. And in Bicol, tibayon man. When we say perfect in Tagalog and Bicol, perfecto.
It was exciting.
The word exciting in Tagalog, we can say it nakakatuwa. And in Bicol, maugmang maray.
Comes around like months and months ago, and my first question was, did they have the right Tom? The second question was, are they serious? The third question was, really? And then after that, it's like, well, yeah. I mean, it's a humbling honor. I can't quite believe it.
The word seriously, serious, in Tagalog and Bicol, seryoso ka? The word really, in Tagalog, you can say it talaga. And in Bicol, ay iyo. The word admire you in Tagalog and Bicol, idol.
Unbelievable.
The word wow in Tagalog and Bicol, you can say it grabe or wawawi. Thank you for watching my video again, and hope to see you in my next video. Have a great day. God bless. Bye.